Good morning, guys. It is 31st of March 2026, and it is the last day of this goated month, March 2026. भाई सैल्यूट ब्रो. इसमें क्या क्या नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है. वर्ल्ड वॉर, वर्ल्ड कप, गैस शॉर्टेज, एलपीजी, पेट्रोलियम, रुपया ऑलमोस्ट 100. क्या क्या नहीं देखा है इसमें. लॉकडाउन, ऑलमोस्ट लॉकडाउन की संभावना. देन नवरात्रि, ईद एक साथ में. इवन माई एग्ज़ाम्स इन द स्टार्ट फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ दिस मंथ. भाई दिस वॉज अ क्रेज़ी मंथ. ये मंथ आई डोंट थिंक फिर से कभी रिपीट होगा. धुरंधर, आई कम्प्लीटली फॉरगॉट अबाउट धुरंधर 2, द क्रेज़ फॉर धुरंधर 2. इट वॉज ऑसम भाई. क्या क्या नहीं देखा है. ठंडी, गर्मी, बारिश, सब कुछ सब कुछ. कल का पुणे का मौसम भाई इतना मस्त, इतना मस्त. वेल, इट इज़ 7. I just woke up at 7 a.m. and I have to go to gym. Since today is Tuesday, I'll be doing my क्या था. Fuck. Since today is Tuesday, we have chest and triceps. So I'll be hitting gym soon, and let's see how the day goes. Well, I'm just back from gym, and today was a nice session. मज़ा आया आज. I did declined chest press. मतलब यूजुअली आई डोंट डू इट, बट एक अंकल टुडे ही वाज लाइक यू डोंट डू चेस्ट प्रेस क्या. सो आई सेड कि नहीं सर, सेड कि डू नॉट डू दैट. एंड देन ही वाज लाइक कि कुछ नहीं आता वगैरह. सो मैंने किया चेस्ट प्रेस डिक्लाइंड वाला. एंड इवन गणेश दादा टुडे, मतलब यूजुअली आई डू 10 reps in a set, right? So he was like, Aja, we'll do 15 today. So he was standing just besides me, means behind me, and I did 15 reps today. Like, I just realized it is totally mentality, you know. Like, मैं इतना दिन से सोच रहा था यार 10 ही करना है, 10 ही करना है. सो 10 फॉर मी वॉज लाइक कि भाई 10 हो गया, बस हो गया. बट टुडे व्हेन ही सेड कि लेट्स डू 15, आई वाज लाइक ईजी है भाई. एंड आई डिड इट. इट वॉज पॉसिबल, वेरी easy. Anyways, let's have a breakfast. I'll quickly take a bath and breakfast करते हैं. I don't know breakfast में क्या है आज. I just had my bath and it is time we do our breakfast. Already 9:30 हो गया है. It is quite late. So again we have this dry fruits. Some pista, आज पिस्ता डाला है, कल नहीं डाला था. काजू, then dates and almonds वगैरह. So I'm gonna grind this into fine paste and I'm gonna add milk. अभी गरम किया, so I've just kept it for cooling. So yeah, I'll make a milkshake out of it, dry fruit milkshake. And I do have oats. Actually मैंने ही मम्मी को बोला था to make oats सुबह. So yeah, let's quickly make it. I'm pretty hungry. I actually only ate oats for breakfast. I kept the milkshake for lunch because I was decently full in the oats itself. So I just thought that why to force myself to drink the milkshake again? Like I could just shift it to the lunch part because already I had planned that I'll only be eating वन चपाती. सो आई थॉट कि लंच में पेट नहीं भरेगा, सो दैट टाइम आई वुड बी ड्रिंकिंग द मिल्क शेक. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई डिड. आई हैड वन चपाती and rajma sabji, kidney beans, and a cup of curd, and then I drank the milkshake. After breakfast, actually, nothing really much happened. Uh, Me and Papa, हम दोनों ही थे घर पे. Mom and Didi had already left for work, so only we both were there. So after breakfast, Papa went in his room to do his office work, and I just came in my room. I tried to do some coding, but I don't know. I tried, but I could not solve anything. So I started watching a movie, Split. It is a very fantastic movie. I'll highly recommend you guys to watch that movie. It is based on DID, like identity disorder. A person has multiple identities in himself. So it was actually a very great movie. The main male character, like the way, like his acting was peak, really peak. The way he used to capture the mannerism of one identity, it was great. And it that movie really made me question myself that how powerful a human brain can be. There is also a real life incident. I'm not sure if it is real life or not. I just read it somewhere. A girl who was blind for 13 years because her cortex got damaged, something. She was having this identity disorder, right? And her second identity was not aware that she's blind. So her brain, I don't know if this is real or not, but it recovered its memory, its vision. It recovered its vision, the damaged nose or something, I don't know. So one of her identity was able to see, while the other identity was blind. So I'm not sure if it is true or not, but that really made me question myself that I क्या कैपेबिलिटी हो सकती है ह्यूमन ब्रेन की भाई वेल इन द मूवी इट वाज वेरी मच एग्जैगरेटेड यू यू तुम देख लो मूवी खुद तुमको समझ जाएगा बट इट वाज रियली अ ग्रेट मूवी well after that mom came home at around 3 p.m. and we watched one episode of Mahabharat and then I slept for a while. I don't know, I was very sleepy, and when I woke up Didi was already at home. She had already arrived. It is almost 5 right now, and I was pretty hungry. So I decided to eat yesterday's dal bati. So I have taken some of the bati and dal either. And guess what? First time ever in life, Didi has bought me something. Like actually, she bought something for herself to eat in office, and उसको पूरा मतलब she got full and she did not complete the dish. So she has bought me some chicken. I don't know exactly what it is, right? Well, I believe it is dry chicken. I don't know, but I'm very excited and I'm gonna eat it later on. भाई पहले बार she has not bought it specifically for me. उसको भरा नहीं पेट इसलिए she bought it. Anyways, let's eat. Actually मेरा भरा नहीं लंच से पेट, so that is why I decided to eat it. And वैसे भी दाल बाटी I like it very much. ऊपर से दाल is good, right? It is protein वगैरह. Although this is just an excuse, but yeah. Do you guys wanna see what it is? मैंने दाल बाटी खा ली है and I'm ready for it. So I love chicken, bro. Yeah. It is almost 6 p.m. right now. 5:45 हुआ. I was just solving lead code, and guess what? It has started to rain again. Like this March is not ending, bro. Like legit, it is like कि भाई मैं सब कुछ देखे जाऊँगा. It is raining, भाई. It is so awesome. I really like rains and stuff, but March is crazy. For real, it is crazy. Anyways, it is 9 p.m. right now, and I just had my dinner. And I totally forgot I totally forgot to take the picture of the dish. हमने I don't know क्या बनाया था. It was like मम्मी ने बनाया था. Cucumber finely grinded with suji and some kind of flour, I don't know, and she made it like dosa on tawa, with coconut chutney, green chutney. And genuinely, I was hoping that for dinner I'll just make a salad for myself, cause आज सुबह से बहुत ज़्यादा कैलोरी इनटेक वगैरह हो गया था, एंड प्रोटीन आई हैड नेग्लिजिबल, not negligible, around 30-40 grams of protein maybe. And ChatGPT was again angry on me that you had high calorie intake today and no protein at all. You do gym, moderately heavy gym, and you do not eat protein वगैरह. So reading its response, it really made me sad कि भाई like it said that what you are eating is just calories, you are not eating protein. So even though तुम्हारा calorie intake कम है, but since there is no protein, with fats you will also lose muscles because there is no protein. And when you include proteins in your diet, जो भी तुम्हारा प्रोटीन इंटेक रहना चाहिए, इफ़ यू इंक्लूड दैट देन तुम्हारा फैट लॉस होगा एंड मसल लॉस नहीं होगा. सो ही इज़ लाइक कि देर इज़ नो पॉइंट इन डूइंग जिम इफ़ यू आर नॉट हैविंग कैलोरीज, कॉज मसल तुम्हारा बिल्ड होगा ही नहीं, कॉज देर इज़ नो सपोर्ट टू इट. So that is why I originally planned on making a salad. Anda, eggs. I had eggs, but I was like, कि, because of summer, I'm getting some pimples and stuff. So I was like, I won't eat eggs, but at least I'll make a salad out of it so that calorie intake तो भी थोड़ा कम रहे. But it is fine. आज थोड़ा slip हो गया. I thought mom is gonna make something really good. Because she said she's gonna make some kind of dosa, different style. Well, my mom is totally experimental. She does every kind of experiments on me. So yeah, this is it. Well, right now I'm going out. दीदी के लिए थोड़ा सा कपड़ा वगैरह लेना है. We are going to Zudio. It is nearby, a 5 minute on bike or scooty, 10 minutes of walk, पास में ही है. So we are going. Actually, I also have a meeting at 10. एक कैब जेमिनाई का एक कुछ तो इवेंट है. So I have participated in that event with my college mates Akshat, Prajyot, Yash and Vedant. So it is a group team event, not event, competition. So yeah, उसमें पार्ट लिया है. So 10 बजे मीटिंग है ऐसा they have said. But ठीक है, I'll go to Zudio because I really wanna go outside of the house today because gym के अलावा मैं किधर नहीं गया, legit किधर नहीं. So yeah. Okay, something crazy happened in Zudio. I came across a girl from my college, not my class, just a college mate, in different division, same branch, same year. And I genuinely don't know if she knows me or not. Like कभी ना कभी तो देखा रहेगा कॉलेज में, but I don't know. I don't even know if she knows me or not. देखा भी होगा नहीं होगा. But I did recognize her, and it was very awkward, because दीदी के लिए शॉपिंग करने गए थे ना. So I was waiting outside the changing room for girls. ठीक है. I was alone. Didi was inside, she was changing, and she came walking outside from the changing room, and we did eye contact for a fraction of a second maybe, and I instantly looked away, right? And it was kind of awkward for me because I was alone. I was in girls section and I was doing nothing, right? So I just pulled out my phone and started scrolling and stuff. वगैरह वगैरह. एक तो उधर range भी नहीं था. I was like, bro, what do I do? Because I was waiting there for my sister. But yeah, she just walked right past me. She was with some of her friends, I don't know. Not two friends. She was with her two friends. And yeah, she just walked past me. And Didi came out after from the trial room after a while, and हम billing करने गए. Now the thing was, she also came for the billing section. She was standing just besides my sister, and of course I was with my sister, right? So मैं निकल गया, मैं वो queue में से निकल गया, and I just started to stall here and there, watch some products and stuff. I was like trying to not look at her and stuff. I don't know bro, why am I like this? Like मेरे दिमाग में एक बार आया था कि like I could have done hey hi whatever, like I guess today or yesterday only I watched a reel on Instagram. It was like how to improve your communication and stuff. And he was simply like, just start with hi, hello, and good morning with your classmates, your college mates, and stuff. And eventually you'll end up with a longer conversation someday. So मेरे दिमाग में आया था कि maybe I can wish her at least like hey hi something. But yeah, उतना नहीं था मेरे words and why should I initiate right first of all. So हाँ वैसा था. And the second part, चलो ये तो billing counter का हो गया. She was right besides my sister. After that she left. Didi was still doing the billing part, and while she was walking out the exit gate, right, my didi said that scooty में बैग रखा है, वो बैग लेके आ. And of course, to go to the scooty, I'll have to exit through the same door, right? So I was walking just behind her. मुझे एक सेकंड में दिमाग में ऐसा है कि भाई what if she's thinking like this guy wants to talk, or what if this guy is talking or stuff. ऐसे introverted thoughts, what do you say, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ओवर थिंकर्स राइट. सो yeah, so just she exited, I exited, she went to the left side, मैं राइट में गया, स्कूटी में से बैग वगैरह निकाला, just came home. That's it. Anyways, वीडियो को इतना ही था. We came home at around 10 a.m. something. And जो मीटिंग का मैं बोल रहा था, Capgemini event competition meeting, I just told Akshat that I'm outside, so yeah, I did not join the meeting. And yeah, this is it. I'm editing this video right now. This is the last clip that I'll be recording. And yeah, it is pretty big actually. 4 minute का clip हो गया है. Well, today was a good day. No, it was not a good day actually. Gym is the only thing that happens. That's the only thing. कैसे बोलूँ English में, because I'm trying to improve, right? Uh, that is the only thing that happened to me. Yeah. So gym was the only part of today's day that was good. क्योंकि आज का diet was not good. I did not eat good proteins and stuff. I did study, but it was not good enough to call it a day. And तीसरा, हाँ दिस इज इट. चलो कल कल आई डोंट नो क्या होगा. कल मैंने एक्चुअली बोला है पापा को कि आई विल बी गोइंग टू कॉलेज. Luckily enough, he has office today. Tomorrow is 1st April. Tomorrow is 1st April, right? So he has office tomorrow, and let's see क्या होता है. अगर लोग आएंगे then I go to college or no. Anyways, this is it for today. It is already a lengthy video. I'll keep it short. Bye bye.